What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rolling Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be stripping down the head of the Avante to analyze what's causing it to smoke and stuff. So I had a guy, Dean's Performance, reach out to me on TikTok, and he said some history on this motor, and he told me that the valve stem seals were done, but the rings are fried on the motor. I'm gonna put the message up on the screen. So shout out Dean's Performance. So now I'm gonna strip the head and try and see if I can do the rings from the top, and if that eliminates the situation. Or if not, we're gonna look at a complete engine rebuild if it's worthwhile, because the plans for this motor actually might be swapping it out for something better. So I don't know if it's worthwhile to rebuild it, but at the same time maybe it is, because then I can still drive the car now while the other setup is being built. So yeah, let's see what happens. But just to get it started off, I'm going to be stripping the head and all of that in today's video. But before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel and commented what they want the giveaway to be. So most of you guys commented pressure washer, for the reason being of starting your own business, washing your cars. It's a all-in-one handy tool. So we're going to be giving away the pressure washer. How to enter the giveaway: to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and then comment on this video done, because I'm going to be using a YouTube random comment picker to choose the winner of the giveaway. I'll then make contact with you and then buy it directly from Takealot and ship it to your address. So yes, I'll reply on the comment that won, and I will announce it in next week's video who won the giveaway. And yeah, thanks for your support. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure to share with your friends, let them know about the channel, building a community here. I'm really grateful for all the support over the past 6 videos, 6 being this video. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I got a box here just to put in some of the parts, and then I just need to label them. So I got some masking tape there that I'm gonna label what goes where. Start off by taking out all the covers, and then obviously draining the water here and here, and yeah, work our way from there. I'm gonna start stripping everything so long. I don't have a camera person here today, as my wife is not here today. They got stuff to do, so I'm gonna strip everything, and then I'll just show you guys once, as I'm progressing along getting the things out. I'll show you guys. So yeah, this is the beginning, and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so quick update. This is where we're at now. Covers are off. Now I need to just check how to loosen the tensioner here at the bottom, and then take off this belt, and then do the rest. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it off, hopefully with the throttles. I think it does come out with the throttles, because I can't get to the back there, so I'm hoping it does come out with the throttles, because in the YouTube videos I watched, they took out that first and then this, but I'm gonna try and take it out with the throttles. And then yeah, we're almost there. Making slow progress, but slow progress is still progress. So yeah, this is how far we're at. We got a time lapse running here. We got a box for all the bits and bobs, so that I don't get confused when I have to put it back together, because yeah, this is another kind of a job, yo. But if you set your mind to something, you can do it. So no matter how long it takes, we will learn and learn and learn and learn and learn. Hopefully it's not costly mistakes that we make here now, but we're getting there. So yeah, there's just some progress so far. The time lapse is still gonna run. I'm just gonna take a lunch break quickly. I'm very hungry, and then I'm gonna come back and finish it up. Still got some time. So yeah, see you guys soon. Right, so guys, we're almost here, but a good part now. I'm gonna loosen all the head bolts and pop this head off this cab. So let me just put the tripod here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. The interesting part is about to begin now, to see if we've done the right stuff. Hopefully. We put the tools properly here. My flow is gonna tune me up. Using nice clothes to do this kind of work. I can do. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, fuck. So I checked on this thing on YouTube. They say you must do it in a pattern, cross like that. You must go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Loosen a little bit. Then this way again now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you loosen little bit. Hey. Oh. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Hey, this cab is low. This car is low, man. Hey. Back. Can't make it. This clip is from the somewhere. Anyways, gonna have to put all new. Hey, that one was loose already. Anyways, so now I loosen that a little bit. Loosen this little bit. Right. Loosen this one a little bit. Right. Loosen this one. Gotta crack it. Right. Stuff. Next round. Hey. Loosen it a little bit. Okay. And let's do this one. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then this one. Come on. 2, 1, 2. Hey. Woo! My word. Internals. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should we build this motor next level, or should we hit it up? I don't know if I must give you all the spoiler of what I really want to do with this car, because even if I build this motor, I can still do that thing, but it's gonna be a waste. I don't know, man. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. Follow the spinning valve, or just get it running, drive it around, take it to some meets, enjoy the car, do the interior, all that stuff, while the proper story gets built. Because that's going to take some time. I must acquire the parts. It's a whole big story. A hint: I have to acquire the gearbox, I have to acquire the diff, I have to check how it's going to fit in here, cut the firewall, what. But I got a plan in that thing. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Mark here. What's that? Just head bolts. That is head bolts like mark, but with how much that? See it out or what? How's it? Good. Guys, finally we got the head out. Not bad, took us a few hours, but we got it done. And this is what the pistons look like. I don't see any play on the pistons, so I don't know if it's rings. See, no play on any of them. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's the rings that's a problem on this car. But yeah guys, you can let me know in the comments below what you think. Can it be rings still? Or must I just send the head in, get the head done, worked, put new valve stem seals, and check from there. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching today's video. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna pack up here now, put away all the tools. Just put this light on. So yeah, I'm gonna pack away everything now, put away the tools, get the head in the box, and go and edit this video. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it thumbs up, comment, enter the giveaway. Remember the steps. For subscribe to the channel, follow on TikTok, follow on Instagram, comment on this video. You can comment anything you want to comment, but make sure it says there you've entered the competition. Once you pick, we'll verify if you followed all 3 steps, and then we will get in contact with you and then obviously send you your prize, which is the high pressure washer via Take-A-Lot, straight to your address wherever you want it delivered. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.